Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Okay, let's start with the review. We have Clini Launch. This is situated in Chennai. And the CEO of this institute is Dr. Karuna Motilik. They are offering two medical coding courses, which is Advanced Diploma in Medical Coding and AI Augmented Medical Coding and Revenue Intelligence Certification with a specialization. So this is the advantage because they are covering AI, which is one of the most advanced topics required today to be a medical coder. The training period is for 6 months and IBM certification they are providing and one-on-one mentorship they have. Flexible training modes also they have. Okay, they are assuring 100% placement assistance. They are giving hands-on exposure to real-world case scenarios. Also, CPC certification they are providing and mock test is also included. See, mock test is very important before giving any medical coding exam. So this is the advantage. The curriculum is well and good. It is well aligned. And certifications I have already mentioned, they are providing CPC certification. Okay, mode of training, they have online learning, classroom-based and hybrid training. Okay, you can learn anytime, anywhere. So this is the advantage. They are giving placement support, technical mock preparation and non-technical mock preparation they are making you do. Okay, they are making you prepare for interview, technical mock preparation and non-technical mock preparation. As I have already told you, mock tests are very important. It will be helpful for you further in medical coding field. Also, they are giving resume preparation support. And here are the alumni reviews of the students. You can check it out by yourself. Now let's check the AI augmented. Okay, this is AI Augmented Medical Coding and Revenue Intelligence Certificate. The duration is for 6 months, IBM certification they are providing, and one-on-one mentorship with flexible training modes. Let's check the curriculum. Okay, curriculum is well and good, well aligned. They have almost everything which is required to be a medical coder. And now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. For accreditation and recognition, though it is not aligned with AEPC, but they are aligned with ISO and IAF, so I would rate this 0.5. Updated and comprehensive curriculum, yes, they have updated curriculum as they are covering HIPICS and ICD 11. Also, you can check it out by yourself, so I would rate it 1. Qualified and experienced, yes, one-on-one mentorship they have, so I would rate it 1. Practical training and case studies, they are making you prepare for practical projects as well, so I would rate it 1. Certification exam preparation support, yes, they are making you prepare for CPC exam, so I would rate it 1. Internship and job placement assistance, 100% placement support is there, so I would rate it 1. Access to updated coding books and software. This coding books part they haven't mentioned. Access to updated coding books and software. This part they haven't mentioned it, so I would rate it 0. Flexible learning options, yes, they have online and offline both, so I would rate it 1. Student reviews and success rate, alumni reviews are there, so I would rate it 1. Also, course fees, duration and payment option. Duration was there, but course fees and payment option was not mentioned, so I would rate it 0.2. Okay, so the overall ranking we have here is 7.7. As per me, they are covering all these parameters and gives you 100% placement support. So you may check it out the link. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.